Are you guys ready for tennis? I have a feeling you can get up to a level 10. That was a good 7.5. When Roger comes through along with Mark Jikel, let's make him feel really special, guys. They're on their way to the total right now. So get those hands clapping. Let's go, you guys. Come on, let me hear some noise. Are you ready for tennis? Point-ending shots or when a player stops play. And if for any reason electronic review of the call is unavailable, then the original call stands. Sony Ericsson, the leader in worldwide cellular phone technology, would like to take this opportunity to have you all look at your cell phones right now. Please make sure they're turned to the silent position. And as the sun sets here in the beautiful city of Indian Wells, we ask that you please refrain from flash photography as a courtesy to both of our players. Once again, folks, please make sure the flash is turned off on your camera. Thank you for your cooperation. His best result was reaching the finals at Sertogenbosch. This year on the ATP World Tour, success includes reaching the quarterfinals at Rotterdam. From France, please welcome Mark Jikel.
Game better. Love the